Looking for the perfect tablet stand that's stylish, stable, and super versatile? Let's check this out. Inside the box, we've got the 5-pound wooden base, smooth rolling casters with locks, the adjustable arm, and the 360-degree rotatable holder. Everything is ready to assemble. No tools required. This wooden base is low center and heavy for maximum stability, keeping your device steady, and these wheels smooth to roll and lockable, so you can move the stand from bed to couch or workout space effortlessly. Assembly is simple. Just insert the arm into the base and attach the holder. Everything clicks into place perfectly. The casters lock in place to keep your stand steady or unlock for easy movement around your space. Lock the wheels when you want stability. Unlock them to glide the stand anywhere you need it. The holder rotates 360 degrees, supporting both portrait and landscape viewing. Hide and tilt adjust easily to match your position, sitting, lying down, or standing. No more neck or arm strain during long reading, streaming, or video calls. Use it hands-free anywhere at home. Watch shows in bed, follow recipes in the kitchen, or enjoy your workouts. Compatible with tablets and phones from 4.7 to 13 inches, including iPad, Kindle, and more. Switch devices or rooms in seconds without needing another stand. Stylish, stable, and versatile. This rolling tablet stand keeps your hands free and your screen perfectly positioned. Grab yours and upgrade your home setup today. Check out how easily it holds both your iPad and phone. Rotate it, tilt it, adjust the height. Everything stays perfectly stable. Whether on your bed, couch, or kitchen, it adapts to your space.